Hello everybody, today we are going to see about Arkray Spanclone Anti-A+B+D Rh Monoclonal Diagnostic Reagent Kit. Yeah, you can see this is the top view of the kit. You can see the brand name Arkray, and this is the front view. Here also you can see the brand name Arkray and product name Spanclone Anti-A+B+D Rh Monoclonal Diagnostic Reagent, and each consists of 10 ml. And over here you can see the reference number. The reference number of the product is 11AS13310, and you can see this consists of preservative sodium azide. And you can see over here this consists of 3 reagents, anti-A, anti-B and anti-D, each 10 ml. And you can see this is a C certified IVD product, and this should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Yeah, these are the details present in it. I'm just going to unbox this for your reference. Yeah, inside the pack you can see the user manual for Arkray Spanclone Anti-A+B+D monoclonal reagent kit. It comes up with how to use the reagent and how to load and procedure and precautions. You can see all the details over here. I'm just going to place this aside. I'm just going to place this aside. After that you can see this is the 3 reagents present inside, each of 10 ml. You can see the brand name Arkray and product name Spanclone Anti-A monoclonal reagent. This is anti-A monoclonal of 10 ml. And you can see the reference number 11AS12710. And the shelf life of the product is 24 months. And you can see the temperature control. The temperature control of the product is 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Show that only I am using the ice pack to maintain the temperature. At the bottom you can find the manufacturing details. After that, this is reagent 2. Here also you can find the brand name Arkray and product name Spanclone Anti-B monoclonal reagent. This is anti-B. This is of yellow color, and this is of 10 ml. And you can see the reference number 11AS12810, and the shelf life of the product is 24 months, and the temperature of the product is 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. I'm just going to place this aside. After that, you can see this is Arkray Spanclone Anti-D Rh monoclonal. You can see this anti-D Rh. This is of 10 ml, and you can see the reference number 11AS12910, and the shelf life of the product is 24 months, and this is a C certified IVD product. And you can see the temperature should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. This is of transparent color. These are the reagents present inside. To summarize it, Arkray Spanclone Anti-A+B+D Rh monoclonal reagent kit consists of 1 user manual and 10 ml of anti-A, 10 ml of anti-B and 10 ml of anti-D Rh monoclonal reagent kits. Thank you.